Hello friends, welcome back and I am Faraz Shaikh. In today's Excel video, we are going to learn a very simple trick that how to create the data entry table in Excel for Power Query. So let's get started. When we open the Power BI application, you will find this enter data. Well, this is only available in Power BI. Now this table allows you to feed some information manually into the BI and then you can connect it to the sources. But unfortunately in Excel we don't have this kind of a table. The reason for not having this table because we already have a workbook which can store the information in columns and rows and we can pull them into Excel. But here the challenge is that we don't need such kind of a table in Excel workbook. In fact, we need it in the Power Query. To get it done in the same way, just follow these steps. Now when I click on enter data, you just simply click edit. Now this will launch the query editor for the Power BI. Now we will remove this change type step and let's go to view, and under the view let's go to the advanced editor. So just copy this M code, selecting Ctrl A, Ctrl C. In case if you don't have the Power BI application, there is nothing to worry. I'll be sharing the link in the below video description for this blog and you can just copy the code from there. So let's go now to Excel and do the magic. Going to data, get data from, no, this time we are going to say from other sources and this will be a blank query. Now once the query editor for the Excel is launched, you can see that there is already a source step which is created. In fact, we don't need to worry about it. We can just simply go to view, go to advanced editor and select Ctrl A and backspace and paste the code which has been copied from the Power BI and click done. You will find this column 1 which is created. There's nothing interesting over here, but when we go to the source step and click this gear icon, this is where the table is created. Now I can simply go and rename the column saying that car names, and if I would just like to add this information, Toyota, and I'll just hit enter, it will take me to the new record. I will say Honda, that is another new record. And if I need to add a column over here, we can just simply click on the star and the new column is added. So let's say this is a year and we can say it is 2019, 2020. So let me go and add some records. So I've done adding my records over here. I can just simply click on OK. Now our data is loaded into the query editor and this change type step is also applied. Now in case if you need to remove any of these entries, I can just simply go again to my source step, clicking that gear icon and going to that record, like say the 5, right click and delete. And if I just need to edit anything, I can again go over here and say 2020. Click OK. The information will get updated. Now this table we need to load it as a connection, so we'll go to home, we'll not click save, close and load. In fact, we'll go here on the drop down and say close and load to. We will get the options for table and only connection. I would prefer only to keep this as a connection. So now when somebody will see this workbook, he will not find any table in this workbook. In fact, that information is loaded into the query editor. So let's go back to the query editor, and it's very important that we give a nice name. This is called as cars. Okay, so let's go again, close and load to. And for any reason, if you just want to display it, right click, load to, and as a table. And you can say new worksheet or the existing. So in this way, you are able to display those entries as well into Excel. I would not recommend you doing this with the large set of data. If you have some parameters or some kind of values, you can just manage it using this kind of technique. So I hope, my friends, this video was helpful for you. Make sure that you hit the like button, share this video, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this creating a data entry table in Power Query. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Happy learning. Bye.